Are you getting the keys to your Bidadari flat but have no idea how to lay out an open kitchen concept? Stay tuned. Hi guys, nice to see you again in Interior Design with Ray, bringing you tips and tutorials for your home renovation journey. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel. I'm sure some of you are receiving or might have received your keys to your new Bidadari BTO flat and have absolutely no idea how to lay out the kitchen and dining if you opt for an open concept layout. So in this video, you can select any of the 3 layout ideas I come up with that suits your budget and style. Let's begin. Hi guys, let's take a look at this kitchen. See, for this layout idea number 1, I'm going to place a custom dining table inside this kitchen. Okay, so as you can see, the living is over here and dining is over here. So we will focus more on the kitchen and the dining area. Okay, so typically you have your sink at this location. So what you will do is just do a bottom cabinet, okay, and then followed by another here, just to meet at this end here, right? And because of this depth, right, if you look at this DB cabinet, okay, the depth from this corner to this corner here is actually good enough for a dining table. Okay, you can custom the dining table. Okay, the depth is slightly deeper, but that's fine. Okay, so you can put the dining table here, and you can also make use of this wall to place your fridge. So before placing the fridge, you can still do a full height cabinet, and then just use all the way there, and then you place your fridge here. Okay, so this will be your full height kitchen cabinet where you place all your appliances inside. Okay, so for this dining table, this is the walkway. If you think that the space is a little bit tight, you can actually opt for a low bench. Right, that will save out some space there. Okay, both sides can also be benches. Okay, so that leaves very good walking space right towards your kitchen. So your sink will be here. Okay, you can choose to put your hob here, that's fine. If you do not want, you can place your hob here. Okay, since it's near to the dining table, you can actually add a glass panel here. Okay, just to segregate the dining from the cooking area. So this is layout idea number 1. So if you prefer to have a simple and yet open kitchen concept with a dining table, then you can go for this layout. Okay guys, let's take a look at layout idea number 2, which is a peninsular counter come a dining table. So let's go straight to the layout here. Okay, so since this is this wall, you have to maximize it, right? So I'll still follow the concept of having this as a L shape. Right, and at the end of this L cabinet, I'll do a full height cabinet for your oven, right, which is about 600 mm in width, right, and then followed by a fridge. Okay, your fridge, you can actually place it here. Okay, a simple 1-door fridge, which is about 700 to 750 in width. Right, place your fridge here, and at the back of this fridge, you can actually erect a full height shoe cabinet. So you can see there's a little space here. You can just overlap the doors of the DB cabinet, right? Just overlap them all the way, okay? And then end at this corner here. So just flush with this corner, and then you just go all the way down. Okay, so this will be your full height shoe cabinet. Okay, and then so you have some space here. Then you can add in your island come a dining table. So it depends on the length. Okay, you can sit 3 or 4 on this side here. Okay, if you need more seating, then you can probably add one more chair here. So the sink remains here. Okay, and the hob will be at this location. Hi guys, let's take a look at layout idea number 3, which is island with attached dining table. So for this layout, the low cabinet and the top cabinet I'm doing slightly different, which is I'm going to place just one straight row. Okay, the sink will be here still, and the hob will be somewhere in the middle of the sink and the end of the wall, which is here. Okay, so over at this side here, you can still do as what I propose for option number 2. So same thing, you can actually hide this DB cabinet, right, with a new door, and then you end with a shoe cabinet, which is here, right, and you can actually add a side-by-side fridge over at this far end here. Okay, so I'll tell you why I propose a side-by-side fridge right later. So come to this area here, it's going to be the dining table and the island counter. So with the width here, I will do a dining table here, which is going to be flush right with this edge of the wall, right, and taking note of the beam above. Okay, and so the dining will actually end at the beam here, right, and then followed by a low wall, and you can add a island here. Okay, so this island is good to prep your dishes. You can also do some baking here, right? So having this space on the left and right, you can have a low bench as well, just to save some space. Of course you can have chairs, okay, but the space will be tighter, right? So why I say use a side-by-side fridge, because then the door will be slightly smaller, so when you swing out, right, it doesn't hit the bench. Okay, so have you selected which idea suits you the best? I hope so. Give me a thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for future videos. It's heightened alert now, so please take care. I'll see you in my next video.